One of the most important parts of planting a garden is understanding the makeup of your soil. Different plants have different pH and nutrient requirements, and not all soil is created equal. Having a baseline will allow you to make informed decisions about what to plant and whether amendments to your soil are necessary. There are a few testing options available, ranging in both price and complexity. At-home soil test kits are inexpensive and come with easy-to-follow instructions. Color-coded capsules provide general pH and nutrient values within a matter of minutes. Certain counties like Johnson County, Kansas, provide residents one free test at their laboratory each year. Send in a sample and they provide a detailed analysis and fertilizer recommendations. You can also take samples to a local extension office or send to a commercial lab for testing. These outlets typically have a base testing package along with a la carte add-ons, ranging anywhere from $10 to hundreds, depending on how granular you want to get. Check out the links below for more details on each of these options.